They pulled a tree out of the ground. They tied them cables off on trees. That's how they slide that dredge boat back and forth. Dredge boat on the Pacolet. I know they sucking up gold. No telling what other precious metals. Yeesh.